Good morning. I just got on the road and I have a 7-hour drive ahead of me and it looks like it might be snowy. So I'm a bit nervous about the snow. Whoa, big dog. The big dogs are in town. Shit. I don't know if you guys can hear that. Here, I'll put the mic closer. Yeah, just some squeaking. It's driving me insane. I haven't really been stopping at state signs, but my girlfriend is from Colorado, so I thought I'd stop and give her a shout out. Shout out, Grace. I love you. Yeah, I'm in Colorado. I'm about 2 hours out from my spot for the night. I just stopped in Gypsum, Colorado, and picked up some steak and potatoes. So I'll be making that in the back of the camper tonight. I hope it doesn't come down in regards to snow tonight, because getting back down to Denver would kind of be a nightmare. But I'm up here by Echo Pass ski area, and it's just so quiet. It seems like it's going to get dark here shortly. But I mean, besides me talking, it is so quiet up here. It's so nice. We're going to see how the camper holds up. I have the water tank heater on. Today was a pretty good day of driving. It was only 7 hours and it was super sunny and beautiful. I don't know if you've driven through Colorado, but Colorado is beautiful. I'm out here letting the camper get warm and just trying to get my steps in after driving 7 hours today. It's a little cold, so I feel like I have to move around to stay warm. I mean, look at this road. It's so foggy and just beautiful. I mean, come on. When Alaskan Campers called me and asked me to do this trip with them, this is what I was expecting. This is what I was hoping for. It's awesome to just get out here and know that I have this warm camper to sleep in tonight. And I mean, this is great. This is great. I'm gonna go classic tonight as far as dinner and cook some steak and potatoes. Those steak and potatoes at 11,000 feet. It's gonna be great. I'm excited. I'm pretty good at making steak. I don't mean to toot my own horn, but I've been known to make a pretty damn good steak. Get some cardio in. Some cardio in at 11,000 feet, baby. You gotta get that cardio in. Come on, dog. The driving and the gas stations and the bullshit and the lower back pain and the horrible diet and the gas station food, they all kind of suck. But when you pull up in a spot like this, there's no one around. I can say whatever I want. I can do whatever I want. And I have a warm camper to sleep in. I'm just so grateful, man. It's awesome. It's about to go down. Some steak and potatoes tonight. Got me a little ribeye, grass-fed, grass-finished, and some Yukon Golds. I'm going to salt my steak on both sides. You want to get your steak to room temperature, because if you don't, you'll have a well-cooked outside but a raw inside. So you want the whole steak to be kind of room temperature. Get my potatoes washed up here. Ooh, that's hot. That's hot. And I will get these potatoes chopped up real nice. I think I'm gonna do little cubes. Nice. Beautiful. I'm gonna soften these up because they'll just cook a little faster. I'm gonna soften them up and then pan fry them. A little bit of olive oil and a little bit of salt. That's all you need. Steak and potatoes, that's all you need. Salt. I'm warm. I'm feeling great. Actually, you know what? Let me take my jacket off. I'm getting a little too hot. And you can tell by my breath that it is definitely not warm out here. But inside the camper, I'm feeling pretty good. We have a little light snow right now, which is sweet. The Alaskan Camper's logo looks sick right now. That's sweet. Alaskan, that thing's frozen solid. That's really cool texturally as well. I mean, look at that. That thing's cold. Little snow coming down. We're chilling. About to cook up some steak, baby. They're about there. And that steak is now at room temperature. Steak on. No guarantees on the crust. Not bad. Not bad. This is almost ready. All right, there she is. All ready to eat. Gonna let it rest for a little bit. Not bad. That's what I call medium rare. There you have it. Steak and potatoes. Delicious. Dishes done. Food eaten. I think I'm gonna call it a night. Hit the hay. I gotta get up pretty early tomorrow and head to Denver. So we'll see you in the morning. Good morning. I definitely got out of bed to set up the camera and record, and then got back into bed to film this good morning scene. So don't be fooled. It feels good in here. Super toasty. No complaints at all. I slept great. It's -4 outside, which is kind of crazy. But yeah, we got to pack up, hit the road, because we have the International Sportsman's Expo down in Denver today. Here are some photos I got of this awesome spot. Let's hit the road. All right, y'all, I made it to Denver. Alaskan has me put up in a hotel for a couple days as we show the camper at the Denver International Sportsman's Expo. So this feels like a good place to end the video, and we'll see you in the next one with some highlights from the expo and more. Thanks for watching.